Salam all. Today I will be sharing some funny words we use in Kashmiri. Most of them are so hilarious that they do not have a relatively same word in English. This session is just for fun. Let's begin. Tulthap usually means change the subject, leave it. Hapat yaras. It indicates aggressive love. Sumar dimai used when a person irritates or does mistakes. Mazbalai used when one means lot of fun or food is very tasty. Valsahlichu used when one means no need to worry or I'll take care of it. Alai used when we are surprised or amazed. Dabav used when a person shows off. Khwashik, a person who doesn't agree with anything easily. Kuik, one who always questions, argues, and criticizes. Prah, one who behaves in unusual manner. Trathish, used for a female who is looking very beautiful. Vankya, used when one means please. Halla, used for saying oh no. Matyomuchuk, humorous way of saying you have a false ego or superiority complex. Bodmohnyo, used for a person who's rich. Mandach, meaning shame. Chit, used to indicate poor quality of work. Thrat and Siat, used for kids who are fidgeting. Katstember, used for the one who can't see clearly. Let me pause for a moment and remind you to subscribe this channel. As it is free, so press the subscribe button and enjoy all upcoming videos. Matsar means madness. Go agad, used when someone pesters or keeps on insisting. Kayamat gai, used to express hard time. Kustavan, used when one is shocked or disgusted. Wand, used when one means to say, how can you? Abdab, used to mean not having much strength. Kharikal, used for a person who has less hair. Lasib means live long. Fertir means foolish. Kaharhish, used for someone who's very beautiful. Phatwangun, used for someone who's clever. Dakabird, usually used for a woman who's lucky. Rantas, meaning a female who has a wild behavior. Mujuvund, meaning dumb ass. Bechakat, used to indicate glutton sheep. Chur or trad, meaning idiot. Zut Jan Vandai, used to express love. Balai Lagai, also used to express love. Hatre Hatre Pierun, meaning roaming around aimlessly. Quini Achigash, it's used for a mother who has only one child. Khwaj, used to taunt someone who shows superiority complex. Kathakutaj means very talkative. Dodakat, used for someone who has fair complexion. Susu Gotsar means a slow worker. Birbatan means one who works very quickly. Katsav Khyamutz, a weak person. Dodriamuts, a very weak person. Charbi Dand, meaning a very fat person. Marsapipin, meaning firebrand. Pinsakun, meaning a petite girl. Fakir kat, meaning an untidy person. Nyatsat, meaning sluggish.
Nakral, meaning one who follows fashion or one who is very fashionable. Kanatrakur, meaning an arrogant person.
Chalit, meaning unattached to anyone. Volyumut, used when one is irritated. Mushtand, one who is robust.
Hatki, meaning one who gets hurt easily.
Hoonlut, meaning one who's stubborn and doesn't change.
Bretyomut, meaning one who is ill mannered. Mushran, used for one who is very huge in size. Lopun, used for one who's fat and lazy.